Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in bright white. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, LED fog lamps, 20-inch satin silver aluminum wheels, chrome exterior mirrors, body-colored fascias with bright inserts, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, instrument cluster with off-road display page, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, dual zone automatic temp control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, cargo compartment cover, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5452.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.